So this is a 335i 2007. It's been tuned, but not for E85. I got full tank of E85, almost full tank, and I want to do a cold start, show you what it's like on a cold day. So let's take a look. It is 12, and let's see. So the car is cold. You can see the oil gauge at 0. I haven't started the car yet. Let's take a look, see what's the temperature like. And let's see if it's going to start. So temperature doesn't let's see if it shows now. The battery is pretty low. Anyway, let's get it started and I'll show what it's like. And if it starts. Oh. She's on. Some misfires. It is cold. It's 45. It's rough.